Today I'm going to talk about Zoom settings for music performance. So if you're a musician or a music teacher who is giving music lessons, or a student who is taking music lessons, or just about anyone who is using any kind of music in Zoom meetings, this video is for you. I will be talking about the Zoom settings for audio in a music performance and then the video Zoom settings. So let's jump right into it. Zoom has some already enabled options in the sound settings which distort the voice that is coming into the microphone to make it better for the Zoom meetings. This may work well for a normal meeting in which people are conversing with their voices and the Zoom audio settings are optimized for voices, but really when there's a musical instrument involved, then things change. So if you use any kind of music instrument, it is important that you go and see that these settings are not changed. So you open your Zoom application in Zoom on your desktop and click on settings. And when you go on settings, the cog will be available at the top right hand side, and when you click on settings, go on to audio, and when you click on audio you can see the microphone and the speaker. Now the very first thing is to check off this box, which is automatically adjust microphone volume, and when you check this off, then the Zoom application will not adjust the microphone volume. This is important, as what happens is Zoom tries to optimize the voice if it is away or if it is close to the personal device on which you're speaking. But when there's a musical instrument involved and suddenly you play it, then Zoom tries to automatically optimize for it, and it doesn't result in a good audio experience for a musical instrument. So make sure that you have the automatically adjust microphone volume off. You can choose the microphone from here. If you're using the same system microphone, then it is okay. If you're using an external microphone, then you can select it from here. The same is for speakers, and then go on to advanced settings. Now in the advanced settings, check this box which is show in meeting option to enable original sound from microphone. So if you check this, and when you start a meeting, then this option will show which says enable original sound, and if you check this in the meeting too, then Zoom will not distort or process your volume or your voice that is going into the microphone. Also in audio processing, you have to turn the suppress persistent background noise off. So you have to disable this option, and you have to disable this option also, which is suppress intermittent background noise. So this is okay and awesome for when there is only voice involved, as Zoom tries to automatically optimize. But when musical instruments are involved, every background noise or intermittent background noises are an important part of the performance or the music lessons, so you would not want Zoom to disable it. So in the advanced setting, check this option and then enable original sound when you go into the meeting also to avoid distortion. And in audio processing, disable the first two options, which is suppress persistent background noise and suppress intermittent background noise. This is as far as the audio is concerned. Go back in the video. The first option is mirror my video, so you want to check this off, because if you are a teacher who is teaching and you have some notes on the screen, checking this off, mirror my video option, it will make sure that the notes that you have written and displayed in your background are not backwards. So this option should be off, which is mirror my video. You can enable this option, which is touch up my appearance, which will kind of add a filter to your face, which is in focus, and it will kind of enhance how you look on the zoom screen. And in the end, you would want to make sure that your background is not messy. So if you are like me who has a messy background, so you can just go on virtual background and change your background to make it look more professional. So this is as far as the video settings go. Make sure the mirror my video option is checked off. Check enable touch my appearance, and enable a virtual background to make yourself look more professional. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you guys can keep updated on the content that I'm posting. If you have any other problems in using Zoom, let me know in the comments so that I can get back to it. Signing off, stay safe.